You want to be a little cheeky. You want to be a little mysterious. You leave them wanting and desiring more. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, State of Elevate. I'm Samology, and in today's video, we are talking about seduction. Just using these. So part of seduction is being able to grab their attention. You want them left wanting more, like desiring you, desiring your attention. So the most important way that you can seduce someone is going to be with your eye contact. Your eye contact gives them several signals. Either I'm interested, you may approach me, you may talk to me. It also says, I don't want to be bothered. You're speaking essentially with your eyes. Before a person's going to walk up to you, they're going to evaluate you, look in your eyes to figure out what their next move is. So don't negate eye contact. It is vital to your success in seduction. So step one in seducing with your eyes is going to be studying your eyes. Know thine eye. So you need to know your eyes, and I mean this whole area. Perfect this area. This is the moneymaker. It's all in the eyes. And that's why they say the eyes are the windows to the soul. So if you're trying to get more men's attention, you're gonna wanna do it with your eye contact. These are powerful seduction tools. So you really want to make sure the makeup is on point for your eyes and what looks best for your eye shape. That goes with eyelashes. Make sure that right eyelashes work for your eye shape. The right colors, the right liner is going to work for you. And then the same thing with the brows. Really study and find the brow that's going to look the best on you. Next is we're going to do the mirrored work. And I talk about this in my video about Seduction 101, like a beginner's guide to seduction. We cover the mirrored work. So definitely use that as a reference. There'll be some overlap in this video, but the mirrored work is very important, okay? You have to do it. All models get into the mirror and do mirror work. You're just looking into the mirror and you're figuring out for your face, what are the best expressions to evoke the emotions you want to evoke. So if you're trying to look seductive, right? If you're trying to seduce a man to you, number one question women ask, why aren't men approaching me? What's your face look like, girl? Like, what's your face doing? So you need to be able to get into the mirror and do the mirror work and see, like, if I wanted a man to come here and come to me, what does that look like on my face? What expression equals come here from my face? And then you play in the mirror and you figure out what looks best. Like, what says, come here, I want you, I need you. I'm just playing. But what says, I might be interested? Is it cute and playful? Does that look good on my face? Or does seductive, like sensual? Yeah. What does it? So you want to do the mirror work. You want to play coy. You want to play seductress. You want to play sassy. You want to play like playful. You want to play all of these scenarios in the mirror. You want to find your signatures, and then you want to really work on them until you become comfortable doing them. And then you want to start going out in the world, and then you want to implement. When you walk into a grocery store, when you walk into the bank, when you walk into the library, what is your signature? And then start doing it. This helps you ratify that resting bee face that 99% of us have when we just aren't thinking about it and we just walking in looking like, and then we wonder why no one's approached us for the day. Well, I think because you look like you ate 20 burritos and you have to go to the bathroom. Hence, no one's approaching 20 burrito girl. Anita porta potty girl. Like, no one's approaching that. So that's why they're not approaching you, because you don't have your signature look. And it doesn't have to be like, or it doesn't have to be like, oh, yeah. Like, it doesn't have to be dramatic, but you want a signature, you want a few signature looks, right? When I see a boy that's really cute, what do I do? Because normally I would like look away. So what do? I take 2 seconds, I count literally 2 seconds. 1, 2, smile, and then look away with a slight nod. That's just my signature. So every time I see a cute boy, I do the exact same thing. I make eye contact, double nod, and I look away. But whatever it is, I'm not saying that's it, but I'm just saying whatever it is, you just want to make sure you have something. So that way, when you're in a scenario, you're able to quickly implement. And you're not like, oh my God, what'd I do? He just looked at me. Did he look at me? I don't know. You're not having that nervous, like awkward, like, oh, let me look away. And then you end up looking like mad and frustrated. And he's like, oh, she was kind of cute. But you gave off, I'm mad, because you were startled and didn't know what to do and you weren't prepared for the situation. So in order to rectify that, it's better to work on the signatures. Work on the signatures, implement them out in the real world, start implementing them in your day-to-day life until you get good at them. And then it will just like come like second nature. This is how seductresses work. I mean, it's second nature to them. They're not like, I have to now smile 3 times. They're not roboting it. They're not robots. They just innately, it's just like breathing. They just start, sashaying in. They just smile when they walk in the door. They just know, how to tousle their hair when they're talking to someone like, and look cute. They just know it. It just becomes like second nature. It's second skin to them. So now that you've perfected it, so let's say we've studied our eyes. We know what eye shape we have. We're wearing the right makeup to culminate with the eyes to really enhance your eye, right? We've got that. Now we've worked on our mirrored work. So we've looked in the mirror. We know which smiles. We know, depending on our inflection of our eyes, we know how to get attention to lure and attract someone. So we got that down. Now what do we actually do? This is important. This is key. You do not want to stare someone down with this. When you figured out your signature look, right? You're not gonna, for 5 minutes, we're not staring down, we're looking and we're looking away. Okay? This becomes the cat and mouse game. I want you, or do I? I like you, or do I? You give them that look and then you look away. This is a 2-second look. 2 seconds and then back to what I was doing, back to my book. And now he has to make the move. Now it's on him to put in the effort. That's part of seduction. It's that cat and mouse. You don't want to be looking at a man like, I want you so bad. I will treat you like a king. I love you. I want you so bad. You don't want to do that, right? That's a little creepy. You want to be a little cheeky. You want to be a little mysterious. You want him to want to know more. This is the key to seduction, is they want to know more. You leave them wanting and desiring more. Until next time, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, then you know what to do. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you beautiful people later. Bye.